Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue, and today I'm going to share my no-bake sesame seed energy ball. It's got a delicious crunch, and it's got no nuts and no oats. It's just made with some toasted sesame seeds and sunflower seeds, a little bit of spice, chia seeds, tahini, and dates. That's it. So I've got my large bowl here. So what I'm going to do first step is the dates have been soaking in boiling water. So I've soaked, let me just grab my notes from my computer. There's about 225 grams of dates here. That's about 18 small or 10 large, or about a cup packed. And I've chopped them up. I removed the seeds, chopped them up, soaked them in half a cup of boiling water overnight, but you can do it for at least 2 hours. So grab a fork, and I just like to mash them. I don't have my food processor because I'm still in my temporary kitchen. So I'm just doing this an easy way. And in here I've got 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to throw that in. And you can mix and match the spices. If you don't like ginger, you can leave it out. I've got 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you don't have them, you can add a little bit more of the other seeds. We need to pop in 3 tablespoons of tahini. This is quite a runny one, so I don't really need any extra water or anything. So I drained the water off the dates. So I'm just going to scoop out 3 tablespoons and make sure my oil doesn't go everywhere. And it's just, that was quite generous. So I'll probably do 2 of those. Bit of oil floating around everywhere. And if you didn't have tahini, you could swap it out for another kind of butter. If you're avoiding nuts, do a seed butter. If nuts are okay, you can add in peanut butter. And I've got a little piece of fresh ginger, which I'm just going to zest some of that. I don't have my beautiful microplane here, so I'm using this old-fashioned box grater. And it's not quite as good. Everything gets caught in it. Let me go to the grating side. See if I can just grate some of that in, just for a little bit of extra zing and goodness. But if fresh ginger is not your thing, you can leave that out. Okay, and in here I've got toasted half a cup of sunflower seeds and half a cup of sesame seeds, just the white variety. They're still a little bit warm, but they're going to be fine just to throw in because they're a little bit warm, they'll actually blend better. Or you can toast them in the oven. I just did it on top of the stove because I didn't want to turn the oven on. It's been quite humid here in Sweden at the moment. We're summertime, but you might be freezing cold where you are. But this is a great no-bake treat to have in the fridge. And this style of recipe you can mix and match to add your own twist to it. You can add a little bit of coconut if you like, but most of my other recipes have coconut, so I wanted to do one without nuts, without oats, without coconut, just really simple. And they're better left to chill before you eat them. So that's all mixed. Let me just do a quick clean up and then we'll start rolling. So now it's time to start rolling. I've got a little teaspoon and I'm just scooping out some of the mixture and grabbing, and it's still a little bit warm and soft, but for the video I'm just going to keep going. But if you wanted to chill this for 30 minutes, so it's easy to roll, you can do that. And sometimes when your hands are wet, it actually helps roll them better. So I'm doing quite little ones. I like having these as a snack, and a little ball is kind of what I prefer, but you can do it a little bit bigger if you wanted. Do it more of a tablespoon size. So as my hands are getting sticky and warmed up, you can see they're not rolling as good. So I'm actually going to stop the camera and pop these in the fridge and continue to finish rolling these later. I'm going to stick around because I'm going to do a taste test on the other ones. So here's the ones I made the other day that I've had in the fridge, and they're really rock hard and solid. I love the crunch of the sesame seeds and the sunflower seeds. A little hint of spice, not too sweet. You've just got the natural sweetness of the dates. No oats, so they're not too filling. And if you're avoiding any kind of like grain, they're good as well. Give it a go and let me know what you think down below. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up if you've liked my video, share it with a friend, Stick around, I'll pop some other recipe for snack ideas up above. And if you're visiting for the first time, thank you for clicking on. Consider subscribing, and I look forward to sharing more videos from Sweden very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.